We men would be the happiest people on earth if the girl we like kept thinking about us all the time. After applying these 5 simple, proven hacks that no one has ever told you about, she will go mad for you, and the first hack drives them crazy. Let's start with number 5. As a man, you should never be predictable to a woman. Women are naturally drawn to mystery and unpredictability because it keeps the relationship positive and interesting. Being predictable can quickly cool off excitement and interest in any relationship. How can you master unpredictability to make her think about you non-stop? If you always text her good morning or good night, mix it up. Send a message at a different time of day, or skip a day occasionally. This will make her think and wonder about your next action, creating a sense of excitement. Vary your communication style. Don't always rely on text messages. Give her a call, send a voice message, or even a handwritten note. Different forms of communication show creativity and effort, making you stand out from others. Keep some information to yourself. You don't have to share every detail of your day or every thought you have. Hold back a bit. Let her ask questions and be curious about you. This doesn't mean being secretive. It's about maintaining a level of mystery that makes her want to know more. Be unpredictably thoughtful. Occasionally do something thoughtful when she needs it, but expects at least. It could be as simple as sending her an encouraging message on a tough day or planning a fun outing after a busy week. These actions show you care and pay attention, but the unpredictability of actions keeps her curious. Balance availability and absence. Make sure you balance your availability. Don't always be there for her. Show that you have your own life, and sometimes you're busy with other commitments. This creates a healthy balance and makes the time you spend together more special. At number 4, as a dominant male, you need to take responsibility. Taking responsibility shows maturity and reliability, qualities that women find attractive. Start by taking the lead in planning your outings. Whether it's a simple dinner or an adventurous day trip, show that you can take charge and organize enjoyable experiences. It shows her that you're dependable and considerate. Plus, who doesn't love a surprise adventure? "Hey, I planned a surprise for us," is way better than "what do you want to do?" If something goes wrong, don't make excuses. Apologize if necessary and take steps to fix it. This builds trust and respect in the relationship. We all mess up sometimes. How you handle it makes all the difference. And don't wait for her to always initiate plans or conversations. Take the initiative to check in on her, make plans, or solve problems. This proactive approach shows that you care and are invested in the relationship. Imagine her relief when she doesn't always have to decide where to eat. Consistency in your actions and words builds reliability. Show her that she can count on you by being consistent in your behavior, keeping promises, and following through on your plans. It's like being her dependable Wi-Fi connection. And don't forget to handle your responsibilities efficiently. Whether it's work, family, or personal commitments, managing them well demonstrates that you are grounded and capable. It's not just about being the fun guy, it's about being the guy who has his life together. Being responsible isn't just a duty, it's also about making life easier and more fun for both of you. So, step up and show her you're the reliable, fun-loving partner she deserves. At number 3, we have confidence. Once you start taking responsibility, your confidence will start to increase. Confidence is incredibly attractive and plays a key role in making a woman think about you non-stop. Start by showing that you have your own interests, hobbies, and social life. Don't always drop everything for her. Let her see that you're independent and have a fulfilling life outside of your interactions with her. This kind of attractive independence makes her wonder about the other aspects of your life that she isn't part of. Think of it as sprinkling a bit of mystery seasoning into the relationship. Confidently share your opinions and decisions without justifying yourself. If you decide to do something or have a particular view, state it without going into too much detail about why. Leaving a bit of mystery in your explanations keeps things interesting. It's like saying, "I've got this," without needing a whole PowerPoint presentation to back it up. Your body language speaks volumes. Stand tall, make eye contact, and smile. These nonverbal cues exude confidence and make you more approachable and attractive. Think of it as the superhero stance. Chest out, shoulders back, ready to take on the world. Make decisions without hesitation. Whether it's choosing a restaurant or planning an activity, being decisive shows that you're confident in your choices and leadership. It's like being the captain of the ship. You know where you're going and you're steering confidently. You can try this. Be ready. We're going to this amazing sushi place tonight. When you are faced with criticism or rejection, handle it with grace and poise. Don't get defensive or upset. Instead, Take it in stride and learn from it. This maturity reflects a strong sense of self-assurance. Show her that you can keep yourself cool no matter what. By demonstrating confidence in these ways, you make yourself more appealing and memorable, ensuring that she thinks about you even when you're not around. So, be the confident, independent, and decisive guy she can't stop thinking about. At number 2, we have be funny, make her laugh, and create memories with her. Making her laugh and creating memories is a powerful way to build a deep, lasting connection with a woman. These shared experiences and unique moments create a sense of closeness, making her think about you fondly. Listen carefully to what she says and pay attention to the little things. This could be a funny comment she makes, a quirky habit she has, or a story she tells. Use these details to create inside jokes that only the two of you understand. Imagine having a secret language that only you two can speak, an instant bond. Highlight and celebrate even the small moments you share. It could be a funny incident, a shared reaction, or something unexpected. These moments can become cherished memories that you can refer back to in future conversations. Plan activities that are unique and out of the ordinary. It could be anything from trying something new, going on a long road trip, or visiting a local attraction. These experiences create memorable moments that stand out from the routine and give you both something special to look back on. Humor is a great way to build a connection. Be playful and lighthearted in your interactions. Tease her gently about things she does or says endearingly. This creates a fun and relaxed atmosphere where inside jokes can naturally develop. Like if she always forgets where she put her keys, you can start calling her Key Detective. It's all in good fun. Establish small traditions that are unique to your relationship. It could be something as simple as always getting a particular dessert at a specific restaurant or having a movie night with a specific genre of film. Take photos or videos of your time together, but make sure it's done in a fun way. These visual reminders can serve as great conversation starters and help you relive the memories. For example, you could create a funny video together or take a silly selfie in a memorable location. Just imagine looking back at those goofy faces years from now and still laughing about it. Sometimes, the best memories are made when you least expect them. Be open to the unexpected fun. If you find yourselves in a situation that's unplanned but fun, go with it and enjoy the moment. These unplanned adventures often become the most cherished memories. Occasionally take the time to reflect on past moments together. Bring up funny or special memories in conversation and talk about how much fun you had. This encourages positive experiences and keeps them fresh in her mind. For example, you can say, "Remember that time we got lost and ended up at that random festival? Best mistake ever." At number 1. This is the most important point. Making time for her after a busy schedule. Making plans after being busy shows that you have a full, engaging life, and even after that you're selective about how you spend your time with her. This strategy can make her feel special and valued, keeping you on her mind. When you're less available, subtly communicate that you've been occupied with meaningful activities. For example, "I've been wrapped up in a big project at work," or "I've been busy with my weekly soccer games." This shows that you have a vibrant life, which is attractive and makes her eager to be part of it. When you do make plans, be specific about the time and place. This shows that you've thought things through and are genuinely interested in spending time with her. Instead of saying, "We should hang out sometime," say, "I'm free on Friday evening. Would you like to grab a drink at 7 p.m.? Choose activities that allow for interaction and create memorable experiences. This could be a fun activity like hiking or visiting a new restaurant. Engaging activities help build a deeper connection and give her something to look forward to. While it's important to show interest, don't come across as overly eager. Maintain a balanced approach by expressing excitement about the plans, but also conveying that you have a busy schedule. For instance, "I've been looking forward to catching up, but this week has been hectic. How about we meet up on Saturday?" Reliability is key. Once you've made plans, follow through. This builds trust and shows that you're dependable. If something arises and you need to reschedule, communicate it clearly and suggest an alternative time. For example, "I'm sorry, but I have to work late on Friday. Can we reschedule for Saturday afternoon?" After spending time together, keep the momentum going by briefly discussing the upcoming plans. Once you get close to the girl you like, you must perform in the bedroom. Low testosterone has been a growing problem for men. This video will help you to boost your testosterone.